Hello, just another little update just to talk a little bit about the project where it is so far. I am currently waiting on the new images for Orange Pi Retro, Orange Retro Pi, and I've been working on the HID code for the project currently, and well, it's nearly done. I need a couple of little bits to finish off, tidy up a little bit of the code and correct some descriptions. But yeah, it's almost there. I've had a huge amount of help from Alexander Pruss. I do apologise for the pronunciation of the name. He's the author of the USB HID library on the STM32 project. He's been incredibly helpful in getting this to work. I started off with an Xbox 360 controller-based system inside here first. I got the controllers working, but I was having trouble getting the volume up and down working. However, moving on to a generic controller, which is now what it's running as, it's freed up, I imagine, some sort of compatibility issue that allows that information to be sent over the single USB line. Again, a massive thank you to Alexander. So yeah, I was quickly want to show you this where it is at the moment. So turning it on. I'll do that again with the thing in focus. So what's actually happening, as it starts up, it runs with the little LED animation. Once it detects a USB host is connected, it will then fill up. But I've limited the animation to run at least 4 times as part of the startup process. So there's a little bit of an effect going on there. But I've got the controllers are now working. If you can see this. So I've set up min and max values with a little bit of smoothing. While it is an instant response, I've managed to get some pretty decent smoothing going on there to help hide some of the noise that was actually being picked up on the controllers. I've also set up a dead zone as well, so it can stay centre without it wiggling too much from the noise. But it's been pretty decent so far. I'm going to do a little bit of work on the USB descriptor, probably remove some of the excess buttons that are showing up here, and probably rename the controller to something to match the project, so I'll probably call it Blackbone or something. But yeah, that's where I am at the moment. The things are working, buttons are working. I've now got to start putting it all together and taking the soldered wires off so I can actually practice with it. I'm waiting on the image for Orange Retro Pi, and once that's done I should be able to install it and start practicing and fixing up some of the other things. I still need to write the script for the cooling fan for the actual Pi system itself, but that's something I have to do a little bit later once I've got a working image. Well, I hope that's good. Well, thank you anyway. Bye bye.